Okay, another measurement, time. The unit of time is second or seconds. Second is defined as the time occupied by 9,192,631,770 vibration of the light emitted by a cesium-133 atom. Time is introduced with clocks and calendars. These are the units in time measures. 1 century, 100 years. 1 score, 20 years. 1 decade, 10 years. 1 year, 12 months. 1 year, 365 days. 1 month, 30 days. 1 week, 7 days. 1 hour, 60 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. And 1 day, 24 hours. 2 centuries is equivalent to how many years? Then, simply, 1 century, 100 years. 1 century, 100 years. Then, 2 centuries is 200 years. 2.5 hours, 1 minute. 2.5 hours in minute. 2.5 hours times hours, then minute. 1 hour, 60 minutes. Cancel. Then we'll have 2.5 times 2.5 times 60. Then you will have 150 minutes or 150 minutes. 132 hours in a day. Therefore, 132 hours times hours in day, 24 hours in 1 day. Then 132 day, 132 divide 24. Then the answer is 5.5 days or 5.5. Next, 216,000 minutes in hours. 216 minutes times minutes, then hour. 60 minutes, 1 hour. Cancel. 2,600 to 216,000 divided by 60. You have 216,000 hours divided by 60. Then the answer is 3,600 hours. 3,600 hours. Okay, that is how to convert time. Temperature refers to the degree of hotness and coldness of a body. The metric unit of temperature is degrees Celsius. You have here the symbol degrees Celsius. And Celsius scale, 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of a water, and 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water. The instrument used for measuring temperature is the thermometer, and another unit of temperature is degree Fahrenheit. We have here the conversion. The formula for the degree Celsius is 5/9 times degree Fahrenheit minus 32. Then Fahrenheit to Celsius, or Celsius to Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit, 9/5 times the degree Celsius plus 32. Celsius to Fahrenheit. The formula, degree Celsius, 5/9 times degree Fahrenheit minus 32. 50 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to how many Celsius? By the formula, five over 9, then 50 minus 32, you have 50 minus 32 is 18, then times 18 times 5 means 18 times 5, multiply, you have 90/9, then divide, the degree Celsius is 10. Ayan. 50 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to 10 degree Celsius. Fahrenheit to Celsius. Degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to 9/5 times degree Celsius plus 32. Example, convert 40 degrees Celsius is equivalent to how many degree Fahrenheit? Simply using the formula, degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. 9/5 times 40 plus 32. 9 times 40 is 320/5. Ayan. Times plus 32. Then 320 divided by 5 is 64 plus 32. Then the degree Fahrenheit is, you have here 96. You have 96, therefore 40 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to 90 6 degree Fahrenheit.